My name is Penchers, and this is how to take things apart and put them back together. So for today, we got a trail cam, and it's broken, so I'm going to take it apart, see if I can fix it. Going to do some troubleshooting, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So first we'll open it, take out any batteries that can blow up or something. Take a sharp prying tool and slice off this seal here. Take a smaller pry tool, see if we can cut some stuff in here. You have to be careful, make sure you don't have anything that the parts can hit when they're flying around, because they might fly around a little bit. No big deal, they're just electronics, they don't get hurt real easy. So we'll see if we can saw on this here. So I've been saving my monies and got myself a screwdriver set. We'll see if we can make this go a little quicker. Oh, click. Let's see. Oh, technology has advanced so much these days. Like the other day I saw these phones, they didn't have to be plugged into a wall or nothing. It was kind of strange. I don't know how they done it. It seems kind of, I'm not sure what. I seem to have a defective screwdriver. Or might have if I use a different size. Yes, this will be beneficial. Oh, it's going. We'll be done with this, I expect, within the week. Wish it's nice. Wish I bought one of these fancy screwdrivers a long time ago. I just love Mario Karts. Well, back to this motherboard here. Oh, I think that's what they call it. I call it a green board. It's kind of like a green screen. It's supposed to cover up all the stuff you don't want in there. So that can just, even if you damage it on accident, that's all right. Need to take out this other phase contractor. See how that does. all the batteries in. I'll just have to push this in a little more. Oh, be careful. Be careful. This thing is thick. I'm gonna stop doing that. Yeah. Ooh. If you forget about putting any of the extra components in that are vital to the success of the camera, just put it in here. There's some extra room in these little compartments. To see. Oh, that's just for waterproofing it. That's alright. You don't need that. We'll just stick that in here. There we go. And now you have it. We have a fixed trail cam.